Yes, hello. The Revolt Dakar team from Fognoncourt in south of France. And today we have our second test. We have a brand new truck to drive the Dakar 2020 with. And it's a very unique car because it's the first hybrid truck who will start in the Dakar 2020 in Saudi Arabia. Today we have a very tough test because it's a very tough ground over here, up in the mountains, so it's very stony. It's a brand new truck, so we have to test everything. We have different tires, we have everything is new, we have new suspensions, we have a new cabin. So we have to test a lot. The first impression is very good. We are very happy with the difference we made. Today we started with our truck, the K520 Renault, and the first 40-50 that truck. Then we changed to the new truck. Then you feel the difference, and we are extremely happy with the difference. It was very nice, but for sure a very good test. So we will, the mechanics will change some things for tomorrow. Another setup, and then tomorrow we will continue the test. So we will see you tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Good morning. We are here now in Fognoncourt. It is the Mecca of France where we can test the Dakar vehicles. All the big men are coming here. It's a very, very hard track, and we always say that if you drive here on this track for 1 or 2 days and your truck lasts, then you can do the Dakar. And we are here now, if you see behind me, with a brand new truck of MKR. Especially built for Gert Husing, and we are going to test it. It's a very nice new truck, very light. It's got much horsepower, automatic gearbox, everything that you can think of to be faster than a competitor where we have to beat. So we are going to test today, and we will keep you posted. Thank you.
Yesterday was a good day. Today we will try to do it better and test everything on the new truck. The new truck, hybrid, so we have a diesel engine but also an electrical motor. Why electrical? Well, of course, Revolt Recycling is always to try to be as green as possible, and now we want to do the same in the next Dakar from 2020, to drive with a real truck but also green electrical power, to be the first in the world with such a truck.